Discover one of Nokia's most unusual accessories, the Nokia camera HS-1C. Back in 2003, many Nokia phones didn't have built-in cameras, so this little gadget gave you a way to take photos anyway. The HS-1C was actually a combo device, a hands-free headset, and an external camera in one. You plugged it into your cameraless Nokia, activated the camera module, and framed your shot using the tiny optical viewfinder on the accessory itself, not the phone. The photo quality wasn't impressive by today's standards, but in 2003, it was more than enough to capture quick moments. While shooting, a green LED told you the camera was active, and after taking a picture, you had about 1 minute to decide whether to save it to your phone's internal memory. In this video, I'll show how the HS-1C works, how photos were taken, and why this quirky accessory is such a fun piece of early 2000s mobile history.